Hey everyone, welcome back. How much money can you actually make with simply put BYBIT? How much can you make? We're going to be looking how much you can make by maximum. And the good news is we have the data. We now have the data, so be sure to smash that like button to think how much money is possible on derivatives, on being a full-time trader. And if you haven't already, be sure to use my link in the description below because we do have some great content for you guys. Honestly, I have some tabs open here. Let's check this out. There's a lot of content. So let's take a look at this news today. If you're the best trader of them all, how much can you make in a single day? In a single day, if you're the best of the best, if you're out of 330,000 traders, 330,000, you're the number one, you're gonna be making a bit less than $500,000 in a single day, which is pretty impressive, right? A bit less than $500,000 being the best of the best trader could be a hedge fund position, could be like a big position. But let's take a look at the last 30 days, right? So if you're the best trader, or if you're a big capital trading firm, you will be making $3 million per month. Now that's insane, right? That is disgustingly a lot. If you're a big master trader, you're going to be making $23,000. So this is how much copy trading you will be making, like on the top. But you got to consider, most of these traders, they can, if you're top 100 traders, you're going to be making $250. But if you're top like 50 traders, you're all going to be making like $500 in 7 days. So you could be making $2K per week. But if you are doing USDT perpetuals, spots, let's say you can earn a lot of money with spots, you will be making $300,000 in a single day. So let's take a look at, a lot of the traders, they don't share their positions. Obviously, why would they? They're great positions and they don't want anyone to follow them or short them. There's no good reason to actually share your positions from what I understand, except this person, for example, who is sharing his positions right now on what he has open, which I think is pretty awesome. But that being said, if you're a top 100 trader, you're going to be making about $7,000 in 1 day. But in 30 days, that's going to be per month. That's going to be about, if you're top 100 traders, 70K per month, 80K per month. That's pretty good. That's like a yearly wage of a good developer, a starting developer. But if you're top 500 trader, you're going to still be making 20,000, right? So there's still great traders making $20,000 a month. $20,000 from trading if you're top 500 ranking. But there's many traders making $2,000, $1,000. You don't have to make $20,000. But be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated, okay? I think it's pretty important to say I do have some more content for you guys. Until next time, peace, everyone.